Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a student visa, or in other terms, a study visa to study in Norway. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Norway is a very popular destination for international students. So we're going to go through the process. So what I have done, like I have opened the website of Norwegian Directorate of Immigration. So here, if you click on want to apply, like you are coming for the first time. So it's asking like you are citizen of which country. I select India, and you need to put your, because based on your location, different process, different steps could be required. And we have study permit. Okay. So again, I'm going to click on study permit. Now it's asking where are you going to study. So let's say you're going to study at a university. Based on where you are going to study, you are going to follow like all the steps you need to follow as per your case. So what are the requirements? You need to pay the application fee. You have been admitted to the college, university. You study full time. You have enough funds to support yourself. They have given the minimum money also. Okay. If you are paid, you must have somewhere to live, like accommodation. And the circumstances in your home country must indicate that it is likely that you will return home when you have completed your studies. Okay. Now, the place of study where you're going to study college and university must be on the list of Norwegian Agency of Quality Assurance in Education list of approved universities. Okay. Now, you cannot be self-employed or run your own business. If you're granted study permit, you're automatic permission to work part-time up to 20 hours per week. Okay, make sure you don't breach that. Your spouse or cohabitant and children can come. Apply to with you. Okay. The period you have this permit does not count if you later wish to apply for permanent residence permit. Okay. Click on how to apply. Again, it is asking a question where you are. So based on if you're already in Norway, you're going to select this. If you're not in Norway, you're going to select this and click on choose. So it is asking where you are applying from. Again, your location is very important because based on that, there could be specific requirements and all. Okay. So what it is saying, like print out the checklist and gather the necessary document, fill your application, hand uh, the application document in person to VFS application center. Okay. All right. So we'll go through each of them one by one. First, I'll open checklist. Passport and copy of all used pages in passport. Signed signature form for application form. Okay, that we saw there was one. One recent size photograph. Okay. If you're in the new study program, university or college transcript degree, documentation about funds. If you have paid your tuition fee, documentation you have some like accommodation proof. UDI checklist filled and signed by this list. Okay, that you're gonna print at the end. This one signature, sign and print. Okay, additional document for some application other than where you. Okay, this is not applicable in this configuration we are going, but it is like if you submit your in a country other than your home country, then it is. If you want a representative, okay. If you are between 15 to 18. So it's not applicable in every case, but then you're gonna print it and then you're gonna fill it with name, uh, date of birth, date, place, signature. Okay, that was one of the requirements. Second, application form. Log in with your Norwegian electronic ID. Okay. If you're first time user, you're gonna click on create account. So I'm gonna create account and I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna show you from there. So after you create your account, verify your account, login. This is what you're gonna see. So when you click on next page, right and duties, you can read everything. This is going to be very important. Next page, type of studies, what you are going to do. New application, then new. Do you have all various permit? No. Have you been admitted to a school in Norway? I select yes. Where are you going to, what level you are going to study? I select master degree. You need to do as per your case. What's your name? First. So this is just sample data, guys. Do not consider it real. DOB. So do everything as per your case, not what you see here. Because this is sample and not real and do not belong to any person. Now, if you have no citizenship, as you said, it's very simple. India does not allow dual citizenship. So, which country were you citizen of when you were born? Contact us. So there are more tabs in C. Wow, so many things. See, right now we are in contact, then education, study, financing, passport, travel, marital, children, meeting point, uh, document summary. Can I navigate? Wow. So okay, so that means I can navigate between these. Perfect. So education, contact and address, fine, we can do. What level of education, what languages do you speak? Wow. Study place, university, where you, which subject field you're gonna, what organization, number of the school you are going to. Yeah, so you remember we had a list, a link of the list, there you can get 9-digit number. Exchange student or not? No. Financing. Are you going to, who's gonna front own money or grant, whatever the applicable in your case? How much tuition fee? Passport and ID, passport detail, travel, ID, validity, perfect. Travel, perfect. Marital status, whatever is applicable in your case. Meeting abroad, which country you are applying from, select where you will apply. Now they have given VFS information, how to book an appointment and other things here. Perfect. And here you're going to upload documents. Okay. Oh, you need to carry it. Okay, fine. But they give you the list. Perfect. So you got all the data, guys. I hope you got. Now we'll go to VFS site for Norway. So steps are same, visa type, do application, book an appointment, pay fee, visit. All right, let's start with this. So study is long, right? Application fee. So for that, click here. All right, let's click there. Work study, study permit, 5,900 Norway. Wow, Norwegian krone, I think it is called. Not sure. VFS service charge, non-refundable. Visa stamping, okay, perfect. Photo specifications we have here. Processing time also. Kathmandu, okay. All right, fine. So we have got everything. So this, now we have got everything that we need. Okay. Order specification, VFS charges, visa stamping, processing time. Okay. So you have like you need to contact VFS and from there you need to take for appointments and further they talked about appointment. You can call this number. Perfect. So we have got all the data here. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.